Are you ready to uncover the hidden gems of African history? Prepare to be amazed. From ancient kingdoms to legendary queens, Africa's history is a rich tapestry of triumph, innovation, and resilience. Join us as we journey through centuries of culture, art, and untold stories that shaped the world. Discover the heroes, the empires, and the spirit of a continent that continues to inspire. Subscribe now, and let's unveil Africa's hidden past together.
I don't think people understand the true essence of Africa. The very name evokes a sense of wonder, a continent pulsing with rhythm, color, and a history as rich and deep as the Nile itself. But beyond the savannas teeming with wildlife and bustling cityscapes, lies a heart that beats to the ancient drum of its tribes and clans. These communities are the lifeblood of the continent, each one a vibrant thread woven into the intricate tapestry of African culture. From the Maasai warriors of Kenya, with their striking red shukas and intricate beadwork, to the Himba people of Namibia, adorned with ochre and intricate hairstyles, each tribe offers a unique perspective on life, art, and tradition. They are the keepers of ancient wisdom, the storytellers of their ancestors, and the guardians of a heritage that stretches back millennia. Their music, with its infectious rhythms and soulful melodies, speaks a universal language, transcending borders and connecting us to the very soul of humanity. Their dances, vibrant and energetic, are a celebration of life, a way to connect with the earth and each other. And their art, from intricate wood carvings to colorful textiles, tells stories of their history, beliefs, and dreams. This essay is a celebration of these communities, a journey into the heart of Africa's tribal spirit. It's time to look beyond the stereotypes and appreciate the beauty, wisdom, and resilience of these vibrant cultures. It's time to listen to their stories, learn from their traditions, and honor the legacy that continues to enrich our world. For far too long, the Western world has viewed African tribes through a distorted lens, perpetuating harmful stereotypes that reduce their rich cultures to simplistic caricatures. We've been fed a narrative of primitive societies stuck in the past, untouched by progress and in need of saving. This couldn't be further from the truth. African tribes are not relics of a bygone era. They are living, breathing cultures that have adapted and evolved over centuries. They are masters of innovation, from the intricate irrigation systems of the Chaga people in Tanzania, to the sustainable farming practices of the Dogon people in Mali. Their knowledge of the natural world, passed down through generations, is a testament to their deep understanding of their environment. To label them as primitive is not only inaccurate but also deeply disrespectful. Their traditions, honed over centuries, are a reflection of their values, beliefs, and deep connection to their ancestors. Their social structures, often based on communal living and shared responsibility, offer valuable lessons in community building and social harmony. It's time to shed these outdated perceptions and embrace the reality of African tribes, diverse, dynamic, and brimming with knowledge and innovation. Let's move beyond the stereotypes and engage with their cultures with an open mind and a respectful heart. Africa is a continent of breathtaking diversity, and its tribal communities are a testament to this rich tapestry of cultures. From the northern shores of the Mediterranean to the southern tip of the Cape, each region boasts its own unique blend of traditions, languages, and beliefs. In the heart of the Sahara Desert, the Tuareg people, known as the Blue People of the Sahara for their indigo-dyed veils, navigate the vast expanse with an intimate knowledge of the stars and the shifting sands. Further south in the lush rainforests of Central Africa, the Baka people, skilled hunters and gatherers, live in harmony with nature, their lives intricately intertwined with the rhythms of the forest. Along the Great Rift Valley, the Maasai, with their distinctive red attire and elaborate beadwork, are renowned for their cattle herding traditions and their close-knit community bonds. In West Africa, the Yoruba people, known for their vibrant festivals and rich oral traditions, have a long and proud history of art, music, and storytelling. These are just a few glimpses into the vast and diverse world of African tribes. Each community, with its own unique customs and traditions, contributes to the vibrant cultural mosaic that is Africa. To truly appreciate the continent, one must delve into the heart of its tribal communities, listening to their stories, learning from their wisdom, and celebrating their unique contributions to the world. Section 4. Rooted in land and spirit, the profound connection of tribes. Across Africa, tribal communities share a deep connection with their ancestral lands and spiritual practices. The land is sacred, a source of life and identity. For the San people, the Kalahari Desert holds profound spiritual significance. Their knowledge of the land has allowed them to thrive for millennia. The Himba believe their ancestors reside in the land, treating it with utmost respect. Their cattle graze freely, tracing ancient paths. The land is their lifeblood, connecting past, present, and future. Spirituality is deeply intertwined with this connection. Ancestors guide their lives, offering protection. Rituals honor ancestors and ensure community well-being. This connection reminds us we are part of a delicate web of life. It teaches respect, humility, and balance with nature. Section 5. Ancient wisdom for modern times, life lessons from tribal communities. In a world driven by individualism, African tribal wisdom offers valuable lessons for modern life. Their traditions provide insights into community building and environmental stewardship. Ubuntu encapsulates the interconnectedness of humanity. Our well-being is linked to the well-being of others. This sense of community counters modern isolation. Tribal communities teach environmental stewardship. Their sustainable practices emphasize balance with nature. Storytelling preserves cultural heritage and connects us to our past. Embracing these lessons fosters stronger communities and sustainability. Section 6. Reclaiming the narrative. Shifting perspectives on African tribes. It's time to challenge the dominant narratives that have for too long shaped our understanding of African tribes. We must move beyond the simplistic, often demeaning portrayals that reduce their rich cultures to mere curiosities or objects of pity. Reclaiming the narrative means amplifying the voices of indigenous communities, allowing them to tell their own stories on their own terms. We must engage with their history, art, and traditions with respect and humility, recognizing the invaluable contributions they have made to human civilization. This means supporting initiatives that promote cultural preservation, empower indigenous communities, and challenge the systemic inequalities that continue to marginalize them. Education is key to dismantling harmful stereotypes. By incorporating accurate and nuanced portrayals of African tribes into our curricula, we can foster a deeper understanding and appreciation for their cultures among younger generations. Reclaiming the narrative is not just about correcting past wrongs, it's about creating a more just and equitable future where all cultures are valued and celebrated. It's about recognizing the inherent dignity and humanity of all people, regardless of their cultural background or geographic location. Section 7. Honoring the legacy. A call to celebrate and embrace cultural heritage. The legacy of Africa's tribes and clans is one of resilience, creativity, and deep spiritual connection. Their stories, woven into the very fabric of the continent, deserve to be heard, honored, and celebrated. As we move forward, let us embrace the opportunity to learn from their wisdom, to appreciate their artistry, and to celebrate their enduring contributions to human culture. Supporting fair trade initiatives that showcase the beauty and craftsmanship of their art, music, and textiles is one way to honor their legacy. By investing in sustainable tourism that respects their cultures and empowers their communities, we can ensure that their traditions continue to thrive for generations to come. Let us be mindful of the power of representation, amplifying the voices of indigenous artists, storytellers, and activists. Let us create platforms for them to share their perspectives, their struggles, and their triumphs with the world. Honoring their legacy is not a passive act. It is an ongoing journey of learning, understanding, and amplifying. It is a call to action, a commitment to creating a world where all cultures are valued, celebrated, and respected. It is a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit, the beauty of diversity, and the richness that comes from embracing our shared humanity. What I wish I knew about African history instead of Western history. If you love African history as much as we do, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more incredible stories from the rich and diverse continent of Africa. Don't miss out on our next adventure through time. Subscribe now and join our community of curious minds. See you in the next video.